What's going on, YouTube? I got another little issue with my Pan America. As you know, some of the fuel pumps that Harley has sourced from part suppliers. Harley doesn't make fuel pumps, I'm sure. I don't know if this is a Bosch part or Delphi or who knows. But anyway, mine is making a noise. It's screaming pretty good. So I took it to my local Harley dealer, not the one where I bought it from, but my local dealer. And it's on back order to the 19th. He's going to go ahead and order one, he said, and get one headed his way. There it is. So I'm going to take it in on the 20th. Said he should have the part by then or the next day, and they're going to put a new one in it. So first one, I got 19,000 miles on it, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully it's not the same part that they're going to put in it. Hopefully it's a new design. So that's it. You guys be careful out there. Have a blessed day. I hope you're riding your Pan Americas. Hope you're enjoying them, getting them out, seeing the country. Be careful out there. Mudcat is out.